Hi there, and thanks for tuning into our Island Mount installation guide. Thank you for the purchase of your Cavaliere range hood. Today, we'll guide you through our installation step by step. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a set of safety glasses and gloves for each person, a measuring tape, a pencil or marker, a stud finder, a wallboard saw, a powered drill with Phillips bit and drill set, and HVAC foil tape. Please see your instruction manual for a detailed list of parts supplied with your model. Begin by taking the ceiling support frame and placing it on the ceiling where you want the Island Mount range hood installed. Use a pencil and mark the position of the screw holes. After you've marked your mounting position, double-check your markings and measurements of the range hood to ensure proper alignment and clearance. Using a stud finder, check your installation area for any studs that may run through the center of your ducting area. If this is the case, you will need to shift your installation location or build a support structure around your installation location to allow the ducting to pass through your desired location. Use a wallboard saw to cut a 6-inch round hole for the duct pipe within the dimensions of the ceiling plate. If your desired installation location is between studs or joist, use T-shaped 2x4 wood support braces inserted through the duct cutout hole. T-shaped 2x4 wood supports are inserted in the event you're unable to use existing studs or joist. The supports are placed directly above the holes for the ceiling plate. Position the ceiling support frame and then fasten a set of screws and washers to each corner. Make sure the screws go into the support beams or studs in your ceiling. After you have mounted the ceiling support frame, fasten the support braces into your ceiling studs, and also ready your ducting and electrical service connections. Follow all local codes and regulations. Bolt the 4 L brackets onto the ceiling support frame. Note that each corner uses 2 screw and washer sets per bracket. Position the next 4 L brackets to the desired length, and then bolt them to the upper L brackets, using 4 screw and washer sets per bracket. Note that the connection from the ceiling support frame to the upper L brackets only uses 2 screw and washer sets per bracket. However, the remaining connections use 4 screw and washer sets per connection. Prepare a section of ducting and then connect and seal it to your household ducting. Carefully slide both the inner and outer chimney cover into each other. Slide both chimney covers over the support frame assembly while holding it or temporarily fastening it in the upward position. An extra set of hands may be required for these steps. Lift and position the entire range hood directly below the support frame assembly. Secure the range hood body to the support frame assembly. Note that 4 screw and washer sets are used on each corner. Use HVAC foil tape or any other approved device to secure it. Be generous in your application. Unsecure the chimney covers and then gently slide down both chimney covers, resting on the range hood housing. Carefully thread the electrical plug into the ceiling. For demonstrational purposes only, an electrical outlet is already installed. Plug in your range hood to your electrical outlet. You may need to wire one nearby if an outlet is not available. Double-check your wood support beams are secure at this time. Roof access may be required at this step. Slide the upper ceiling cover over the ceiling support frame and secure it with screws. Thanks for tuning in to our Cavaliere Hood's Island Mount installation guide. Feel free to contact us directly for any questions you may have. Support at cavalierhoods.com, 800-460-3448.